people, can we normalize being kind in life? Can we go back to the drawing board? It costs you nothing to be kind. You know, there's something that's been festering in our world, man. And look here at Raak Eger, man. You know, there's so many judges here on this earth. Julle het eens gestudy om 'n judge te wees, man. That's how come, you know, the beauty of God is there in heaven and we on earth because we are all sinners. So wie gee vir jou die reg? Who started this thing? Because I see so many young people killing themselves because of your words, because van wat jy sê, son om te dink. Everyone is struggling in life, whether it's a mental struggle, an emotional struggle, with your finances, with family, with your spirituality, whatever the case might be. Every day people are struggling. So why are you still being rude? Why are you still body shaming? Why are you deciding how much people live? And to the young people, I want to tell you today, nothing you see on social media is always like it is. Moenie agter die jong gaan en die meid gaan nie. Because it's not as what we want you to see in life, man. You know, if you're struggling right now with where you are in life, there's only one person, no matter what religion or where you come from or what your past look like or whatever the case, there's only one person that you need to go to ask for help, to open your mind, to open your heart, you know. But weet jy wat vir my so naar maak is, dat, weet jy, as ek dink, hier so baie judges, ne, jy het nie gestudy om 'n judge te wees nie. You don't know the people's situation. You don't know the background story. Because if we all knew each other's lives, sal ons almal met 'n TV geloop het, jy sal sê die Here nie, man. So, why are we judging? You know, if I think of those who actually study to be a judge, then I think of those, even the judges, they had to learn to be a judge. They had to look at the research, investigate, and then before getting to a conclusion. Jy skrik net wakker en besluit Cookie, na Gania Harris Crucie, sy sal weer te vetie, sy moet minder eetie. Nee man, waar het ons nou gegaan in die wêreld? Nee, jy weet mos nie wat gaan ek doen nie, man. Normalize being kind. If there's someone you need to talk to and you can't talk to a family, a friend, whoever they are, you go on your knees and you pray about it, man. And I'm sure that you will get an answer. But mense los die judgerige dinge, man.